Optical Solutions Group training series. In this video, we will show how to use reference coordinate systems to place and align sources in LightTools. The model in this example is of a reflector comprised of 3 parabolic mirrors, each with their own focus and desired filament orientation. There is a coordinate system at each of the foci that was imported via the SOLIDWORKS Link module. In this example, I will add a cylinder surface source that is 6 mm long with a 0.5 mm radius centered at each foci such that the long axis of the cylinder is aligned with each of the x-axes of the coordinate system. To place an initial source, I choose Insert, Light Source, Surface Source, Cylinder from the menu and draw an arbitrary source somewhere in the model. I then open the Properties dialog for the source and change the inputs on the Geometry tab to match our goal. Finally, I open the Coordinates tab and try to enter the coordinates needed to center and align the source with one of the foci. That's hard, but the reference coordinate systems can help. To begin, I select one of the foci coordinate systems in the System Navigator. This can also be done in the 3D view. I right-click to open the context menu and choose Set Reference Coordinate System. Now, I open the Properties dialog box for the source again and look at the Coordinates tab. There is a new set of coordinates that are relative to the reference coordinate system. Moving and orienting the source is now much easier. I just set x to be -3, beta to be -90 degrees, and all of the remaining coordinates to be 0. For command line users, there is also an entry form that allows command line entry relative to the reference coordinate system. To demonstrate, I will set the reference coordinate system to be a different focus. Now, I select the source I created and type in the command line copy rxyz -3, 0, 0 and hit enter. The rxyz tells LightTools that any coordinates entered are relative to the reference coordinate system. Looking at the Properties dialog box for the new source shows that the position is correct and that only the orientation needs to be updated to a beta of -90 degrees. In this training video, we have demonstrated how to use reference coordinate systems to place and align sources in LightTools. If you have any questions or need technical support, please contact us at lighttools_support@synopsys.com. Thank you for watching.